My name is Aman Garg and I am a founder of SF Learner Hub. So in this tutorial we will see that how to deploy our changes from sandbox to production, or we can say from one org to the another org. So before learning this concept, I will introduce myself. My name is Aman Garg. I am a Salesforce developer from the last 2.5 year. I am also a Salesforce trainer to give the training in the Salesforce ecosystem, where I am giving the training in the Salesforce admin as well as in the Salesforce development. And I am also a Salesforce mentor to provide guidance of the college students or will be switch our career from other technologies to the Salesforce. So this is all about me. Now we will moving towards to see the concept of deployment, that how we can deploy our changes from one org to the another org, or we can say from the sandboxes to the production org. So for deploying our changes we are using change set, and change set is a feature of Salesforce which is already inbuilt in Salesforce org. We can deploy our functionalities which we have created from one org to the another org. And there are two types of chain set. First one is the inbound chain set and second one is the outbound chain set. So the inbound chain set basically we are using in the source in the target org, and the outbound chain set we are using in the source org. That means from our sandbox we are giving outbound chain set. In the production we are using inbound chain set. We are giving changes to the production, so that's why we are using outbound. And in the production we are deploy our functionalities, so that's why we are taking inbound chain set. So let's see that how we can deploy from one org to another org. So this is my sandbox, and here you need to just search chain set. So here you just need to click on outbound chain set and just click on the new button and write the name of the chain set so that the user can easily understand that what is the purpose of this particular chain set, what we are deploying from one org to another org. So I am just writing the chain set name, deploy some fields on the custom objects, and we are also need to fill the description so that user can also understand from the descriptions. Sometime name will not understand, so user can understand from the descriptions. Okay, so I am writing the description. There is a custom object that is picture, that is food app, and in this app we are deploying some fields which is useful to create new record, and just click on the save button. Now this is our chain set component. If you can see, here is a add button, So if I just click on the add button, you can deploy Apex classes, Visual Force page, Visual Force component, Aura component, LWC, custom fields, standard fields, validation rules, page layouts, workflows, approval process. You can deploy anything, any custom development which we have created in the source org, we can deploy anything in the production. I am just searching my some fields which I have created, or like just click on the custom fields. So there are some custom fields which I need to deploy from the source or to the target org. So I need to select all the fields because I need to deploy all the fields. So I am just selecting all the fields and click on the add to change set. Whenever you are clicking on the add to change set, at that time this field is enabled to deploy. And after that, if you want to add some Apex classes or Apex triggers or the components or anything which is required, now if we are deploying these fields, so the page layout we will definitely need to deploy from one org to the another org, right? So we are also deploying page layouts. So just searching the page layout, and here that is a block topic layout, and just click on the add to change set. So now name of field and the page layout will deploy from source or the target org. And you can also profiles. Sometimes the profile cannot directly created on the production org. So the best practice says that whenever we are creating any new custom functionalities or any new functionalities, we are need to make it on a production, make it on a sandbox, not production, because we can easily testing. We can do testing before use it for the user. We can testing from multiple cases, from multiple scenarios. So that's why. And just click on the upload button. So whenever you are clicking the upload button, here you will need to show the upload details. Right now, this particular sandbox is not open for the deployment. So I am opening the deployment from sandbox to the org. And now we will see that how to open that this sandbox is open for the inbound change set, and this sandbox is open for the outbound change set. So this is my production org, and in this production org you just need to select deployment, and here just click on the deployment settings. Whenever you click on the deployment settings, this is my sandbox, and just click on the edit button. So here you can enable or disable inbound or outbound changes. So if I click on the allow inbound changes, just click on the save button. So now the developer sandbox is now ready to use for the outbound change set. If I just refresh, now you can see the production org it is showing. Just select it here and upload. Now the changes will deploy from sandbox to the production. And how can you identify that whenever you are giving change set, you will receive this type of message on the same screen, and it will also show the green checkbox which is showing that this change set is deploying or is deployed from sandbox to the production. Now we will see that how we deploy. So just go to the production org and search it here, change set. Now just click on the inbound change set, and first we need to click validate. There are four options whenever you are validating any changes which is came from the sandbox. Default, run local test, run all test, run specified test. So run all test, that means in the org, in the production org, there are lots of test classes. So all the test classes will be running to validate this particular change set. And run specified test. If we are giving some Apex class, so for this particular Apex class, we need to give a specified test class. If we run all tests during the single Apex class, sometime it will be get an error because the test class will not cover 75% code coverage or more than 75% code coverage, because all the test classes is not created on the basis of the particular test or the basis of the particular Apex class. So that's why we are following run specified test. And here we just need to write the Apex test class which is related to the particular Apex class. But here we need to deploy, validate some fields and the page layout. So there is no need to deploy any Apex test class or no need to validate any Apex test class. So we are just click on the default and click on the validate and just click on the OK button. Now you can see the message deployment started, track the progress of the deployment status. So just click on the deployment status. Here you can see the validate success, means validate successfully is pass. Now just click on this particular name and just click on the deploy button and just click on the deploy and click on the OK button. And again you check the status, so just click on the deployment status and the deploy successfully. So using change set we can deploy from one org to the another org, and after that we can configure fields, page layouts and the different things based on the business requirements. So this is all about the change set or the deployment process. I hope you understand the concept of deployment, or you have learned that how we deploy our changes from one org to the another org. If you like this video, then please do like, subscribe and comment your thoughts in the comment section. We will see you soon again.